Welcome to the tutorial video of how to use Fiesta Freebies dashboard. Enter your Fiesta Freebies email, check I am not a robot, and click on Sign In. Enter the 6-digit confirmation code from your email, and press Confirm to access your dashboard. Click on Add Task to create a new task. Enter a name for the task. Set the minimum price you want for products. Set the maximum price you're willing to spend. Enter product names or keywords you want to exclude. Enter the minimum discount percentage you're looking for. List your preferred product categories. You can edit the task from here. Once all fields are complete, click Save to finish. After saving, your task appears on the dashboard. You can also pause the task or delete the task. Broadening your discount range or categories can increase deal activity. Your dashboard also comes packed with helpful insights. Analytics shows you how many checkouts happen each day. Total Orders displays how many orders have been placed through your account. Total Savings gives you a running total of how much you've saved. Last 6 checkouts lists your 6 most recent deals with direct links, discount percentages, and order totals.